Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to go ahead and fix the problem that you might be having with your WooCommerce store if your products are not showing. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly, so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up the official WooCommerce platform that we are using. If you're using WordPress like me, just go to wordpress.com, and from here we can get started accessing our WooCommerce plugin and store using the plugin section, where we can find all the WooCommerce plugins we have installed. From here, let's go and take a look at some troubleshooting steps. As you can see here, we have an article on what to do if why products are not showing on shop page and what you can go ahead and do to fix them. It's going to walk you through some steps. You can go ahead and find any kind of this article for yourself to try the steps right here. And what's important to know, I'm going to show you, is all that you're going to see is going to be findable right here in your plugin section by accessing the WooCommerce plugin. From there, you're going to go and be able to access your settings, your management, and so on, so you can go ahead and get started managing your plugin and seeing what the problem is. So you can follow the steps right here, such as going ahead and checking the theme or template conflicts, if there is any cache problems or database indexing issues, and so on, plugin conflicts. All of that is going to be doable directly right here in your WordPress website. You want to find any kind of article for yourself and read the steps step by step in great detail to try it out for yourself, but this is how you go ahead and access the main page and get started with troubleshooting. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. So thanks for watching, take care, and bye.